Hey everybody, this is the console box or center storage in a 2020 Toyota Corolla, and it's in its open position. What you have is a little pocket. It's not too deep, but you have a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter, and you have a USB port. I think this port is only good for charging. I think the Apple CarPlay is up front. But what I purchased is one of those eBay, Amazon console trays. This one has the slot for the business cards, the coins, and a divider. And what we're going to do is we're going to install this into the car. Alright, looks like it might not fit with this cigarette lighter adapter. Let's try again after feeding it through there. Alright, so let's see what it's hitting. Alright, looks like it's hitting. It might not fit with this 12-volt adapter. Yep. Alright, so FYI for everybody, this Anchor cigarette lighter adapter, the edge is just a little bit too big for the tray, so we're not going to be able to use that one. So if you do want to continue using that, you are going to have a different 12-volt adapter, and I have one right here. I think it's pronounced iNope. It looks like it's a little bit more flush. It's definitely thinner. So let's pop that in. Alright, that looks good. Let's try this tray again. Alright, that fits nice. Can still get access through there. We are going to need another cable. I have one here. This one is USB-C. Let's see if that fits. Yep, that works fine. And the console box does have these two cutouts right here, here, and here. So just, if you didn't know, you can feed your wires through there and close the lid without pinching your wires. So that's still pretty handy. Now you have the option of throwing stuff in there and keeping stuff that you don't want seen underneath there. Let's see, anything else? I have a pen here, just so you know how wide it is. It can fit some pens like that. I don't know if it can fit them this way. It probably can't, but you can fit a couple pens in there. No problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.